Welcome to my channel, my friend. Meet Robo, a curious little robot with shiny silver arms and a heart full of questions. Today, Robo has a new challenge, understanding multiplication. As Robo wheels through the bright, bustling robot city, he wonders why all the older robots seem so quick at solving math problems. Determined to become just as smart, Robo sets off on an adventure to learn all about multiplying numbers. Robo's first stop is the Multiplication Meadow, a place filled with glowing number flowers and friendly, helpful robots. Here, Robo meets Spark, an older robot who loves teaching young bots about math. Spark greets Robo with a warm smile and asks, "Do you know what multiplication is?" Robo shakes his head with curiosity. Spark explains, multiplication is just a fast way of adding the same number over and over. To show Robo, Spark picks 3 bright blue flowers, each with 4 petals. Spark says, "Let's count the petals. We could add 4 petals plus 4 petals plus 4 petals, but that's a lot of counting. Instead, we can multiply 3 groups of 4 petals. 3 times 4 is 12. Robo's eyes light up as he counts along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Suddenly, the number 12 glows in the air, and Robo realizes how much faster multiplication can be. Spark then leads Robo to the magic multiplication machine. This machine has buttons for every number, and when you press 2 buttons, it shows you the answer. Spark says, "Let's try multiplying 2 by 5. Robo presses the 2 and the 5, and the machine whirs and flashes. 2 times 5 equals 10. Robo claps his hands in delight. Spark explains, multiplying 2 by 5 is like having 2 groups of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Robo quickly sees that multiplication helps you find answers faster than adding the same number over and over. Next, Robo tries multiplying different numbers. He presses 4 and 3, and the machine shows 4 times 3 equals 12. Spark says, "You can think of this as 4 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 4. Either way, you get 12. Robo learns that multiplication can go both ways, and the answer stays the same. This is called the commutative property, a big word for a simple idea. As they wander further, Robo meets Bite, a little robot who loves making patterns. Bite shows Robo how multiplication creates neat rows and columns. Bite arranges 6 shiny bolts into 2 rows, with 3 bolts in each row. "How many bolts altogether?" Bite asks. Robo counts. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. That's 6 bolts. Bite smiles. That's 2 times 3. 2 rows of 3 bolts equals 6. Robo sees how multiplication helps count things quickly, especially when there are lots of groups. Feeling more confident, Robo asks Spark about the times tables. Spark explains, "Times tables help you remember multiplication facts. If you practice, you'll be able to solve problems even faster." Robo recites the 2's table. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. The numbers dance in Robo's mind, forming patterns that suddenly make sense. Spark shares a tip. You can use multiplication in real life too. If you have 5 robot friends and each wants 3 cookies, how many cookies do you need? Robo thinks, 5 times 3, that's 15 cookies. Learning multiplication isn't just about numbers, it's about solving everyday problems. Before Robo leaves, Spark gives him a special multiplication star. Whenever you use multiplication, you'll be a math superstar. Robo beams with pride, excited to use his new skills. As the sun sets over Robot City, Robo returns home, eager to tell his friends about everything he's learned. He knows that with practice, he'll get even better at multiplication. Now, whenever Robo sees groups of things, flowers, bolts, or even cookies, he knows he can multiply to find the answer quickly. Multiplication, Robo realizes, is just another way to explore the world, solve puzzles, and have fun with numbers. With his newfound knowledge and a little practice, Robo is ready for all the math challenges that come his way. And so, Robo's adventure continues, one multiplication problem at a time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you love your parents.